So just a quick update. After I put the three coats of high build primer, been doing a lot of block sanding. Definitely using guy coat. I think the car is turning out really straight. Definitely appreciate everybody recommending to use guy coat. After I did a bunch of block sanding, found some highs and lows, went ahead and addressed them. Trunk deck had a really bad low. So after this, right now I'm currently working on the rear bumper, trying to get it all straightened out. I'm not sure if I'm doing the correct steps, but I'm going to get all this cleaned up, spot hit it with some epoxy primer. Then I'm going to do another 2 coats of high build primer. Start with the 180, 220, 320 to get ready for my base. I'll keep you updated.